Alright, last mama graph transformation, y equals negative 3 over x minus 1 plus 2. So again, let's start by moving our asymptotes around. X minus 1 moves it right 1. Plus 2 at the end moves it up 2. So 1, 2, do 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 do. Got my asymptotes, so now I have my new reference point, that intersection of the asymptotes there. I have a negative 3, which means yes, it is flipped, so it's going to be down to the right and up to the left. But I also have that stretch factor, that 3, which means when I move to the right 1, instead of going 1 down, like we did in the last one, I'm going to go 3 down. So I need to go down 1, a 2, a 3, and get that point right there. And when I go 1 to the left, instead of going up 1, I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, like that. And now I'll graph it in, give myself a little room. I'm going to come up, look something like that. And then similarly, going to look something like that right there, okay? Should be perfect symmetry, okay? So let's find our x-intercept and our y-intercept. Oh, look, we already found our y-intercept. Let's verify that that's correct, though. Y-intercept is when x is 0, so y equals negative 3 over 0 minus 1 plus 2. So y equals negative 3 over negative 1 plus 2. Y equals, well, negative 3 over negative 1 is positive 3, and positive 3 plus 2 is 5. And look, we showed 5 as y-intercept. So we get 0, 5. But let's find our x-intercept. X-intercept is when y is 0, so 0 equals negative 3 over x minus 1 plus 2. Subtract 2 from both sides. Negative 2 equals negative 3 over x minus 1. Multiply both sides by x minus 1. X minus 1 with that negative 2 equals negative 3, like that. Divide both sides by negative 2. So x minus 1 equals 3 over 2. X equals 3 over 2 plus 1. So x equals 3 over 2 is 1 1/2. 1 1/2 plus 1 is 2 1/2. We'll use a decimal for you. So my x-intercept is at 2.5, 0. Does that agree with this? Sure, let's call that 2.5 right there.